Hi, my name is Megan McMaster, and I will be reviewing the digestive tract. The digestive tract begins here at the mouth, and this is where food is taken in. It will then travel through the pharynx, and the pharynx is where food is swallowed, and it also serves as a pathway from the mouth to the esophagus for food to travel through. The esophagus, which is this long tube, is where peristalsis occurs and moves food from to the stomach. In the stomach, this is where food is digested. The stomach enzymes and acid are what start digestion. Food that is now broken down will travel through the pyloric sphincter into the small intestines. The small intestines is responsible for about 90% of digestion and absorption. It absorbs nutrients and minerals from food, and then the remaining will travel to the large intestines. The large intestines will absorb electrolytes and water, and then feces will be created with everything else and then excreted through the rectum.